Things I did and bought to combat the sale of fentanyl. 1 silver ring, 1 carbon black ring, 1 the White House lanyards, orange rubber bands, a bag of more than 50. A treasure, wallet paper. USB-A, USB-B. An FG100 DDS function generator. Waves over 600? Yes. Hard drive fixture. Taser pulse cartridges. Earwax remover? Yeah. To check to make sure there isn't metal in your ear making those noises. Batteries for a taser pulse. Checks. U.S. Navy Federal. pH tester to test the pH in water or other chemicals, like a TDS solid reader. They're very different. A child's thermometer. Check your temperature with these. An ambulance from CVS. A paycheck from Target. A solar panel generator. A ruler to measure electronics. An MP3 player, a general MP3 player. Just plug a SIM card, play the MP3 players. A burner phone, or sort of a burner phone. The cheapest you can get, to Americans. A treasure. Gavi Petita Foundation bracelet. A green marker. Solder. An MP3 player from 2011. .37 sensor kit, which were soldered near a facility. I'm not going to name this facility. But they're kind of attached, and they're kind of doing something, but they're not quite there. See? With RFID implanted onto the device. Just to be cool. I do good. A child baseball card. Oh, I'm sorry, soccer card of me. Football. Imagine Dragons, Smoke and Mirrors. What else is there? There's Imagine Dragons, Night Visions. What else is there? To check the sale fentanyl. We need a lot more than that, so. That stuff's been kind of thrown away or, gone away. It was pretty damn gross. It was pretty damn gross. There was rocks that turned into crystal. There were... I'll just explain it later. There were USB drives, there were different phones, there were CCTV cables, there were all sorts of things as a cop watch kind of person, just to track down somebody who hurts somebody, you know. But these are natural gloves, and they help defend the skin from foreign contaminants. Oh, and there's this thing. This is a PG drive from Liberium, something like that. But what else is there? There's a sports camp patch. We got a marker in here. We got locks in here. We got a knife in here. We got old phone. Glass case. Soldering iron. USB iPhone. A shock watch. Crazy. This thing, a bash bunny. We never got this to work. An international stamp. A White House limo driving on by. Another phone. A child's thermometer. Why, thank you. More solder. A thermometer. Go figure. I'm a certified food manager. And I also passed my sexual harassment training for management positions just the other day. And I do have a UAE 70 license, but it will expire sometime soon. I hope to be around. But what else do I got? Oh, I got this thing. This is a flashlight. Very cool. Very, very cool. I've had multiple of them. This white blank piece of paper. This thing, which used to be a USB drive with information on it. I don't have any of that anymore. But there are other things too. You just gotta search. You gotta keep searching and searching. Let me check. I got this. A 1 megabyte flash drive. I got like 16 of those. I got this, which is something like an A/B testing thing for USB. Kind of interesting. Doesn't really test the utility of 1 megabyte. So there's that. And then I got a little bit of number 46, palladium. From Israel. Oh, I got this Ethernet USB tester, Shirk Tech tester. Didn't really work. Oh, I got this thing. I got this pulse oximeter. Very crazy. Is that all I have? Oh, I got this one. This is a USB. Sort of. 1 megabyte. Oh, I even got this thing. This thing attaches USB to USB. Crazy. Is that all I got? I think that's all I got right now. But, I'll keep you in luck. If I ever do find something new, I'll let you know. But you know what else I got? Toothpaste. And you know what's in here? Sacrosanct. They said that cures some mental illness. So, I don't know. What do you got in your everyday carry? Cool.